In this lecture, we will learn how to create a calm, supportive daily rhythm that helps quiet mental noise without adding pressure or turning into another to-do. For overthinkers, daily life often feels like an open tab that never closes. But here's the truth. Your environment, routines, and small habits can either feed the spiral or gently interrupt it. This isn't about building the perfect routine. It's about crafting repeatable moments of stillness that support you, not drain you. You will learn how to design a flow to your day that gives your mind space to breathe, whether through morning grounding, midday resets, or evening cutoffs. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to identify key moments in your day where calm can be cultivated. Create a flexible daily routine that supports mental clarity. Use morning, midday, and evening habits to reduce overthinking. The problem with empty spaces. Overthinkers often experience the most distress during downtime, those in-between moments like waiting, commuting, or winding down at night. These gaps invite spirals. Did I say the wrong thing? What if this goes wrong? Should I have done more? Unstructured time becomes mental quicksand. That's why a calm routine isn't about rigidity. It's about creating predictable, low-pressure signals that help your brain know when to slow down and reset. The science of routine and clarity. Research from the University of California, Irvine shows that routines reduce decision fatigue, lower cortisol levels, and increase a sense of stability. When your day has built-in pauses for reset and recovery, your nervous system stays more balanced. In other words, routine helps your nervous system exhale, not because you're doing more, but because your day feels more predictable, and predictability is grounding for the overstimulated mind. This isn't about becoming hyperproductive. It's about reclaiming mental space and building small, steady anchors for calm. Build your calm framework. Let's break the day into 3 calm touchpoints: morning, midday, and evening. You don't need to do all 3. Just pick the ones that work for your life. Morning, anchor before the input. Don't start your day by opening your phone. That throws you into a reactive state. Instead, take 5-10 minutes for an anchor habit. Sit by the window with tea or water, light stretching or walking, journaling a simple prompt. What do I want to feel today? This tells your brain, I start the day by checking in, not checking out. Midday, reset the overload. By midday, your mind is likely cluttered with emails, tasks, and interactions. That's when overthinking quietly spikes. Insert a midday reset. Step outside for 3 minutes. Do the 5-minute awareness reset from Lecture 4. Write 1 sentence about how your body feels right now. This isn't about solving your stress. It's about catching the spiral before it takes hold. Evening, wind down your brain. Many overthinkers report their worst spirals at night. An evening cool down helps separate your day from your sleep. Turn off screens 30 minutes before bed. Replace scrolling with light reading, breathing, or music. Use a calming question. What went okay today? This slows the mental replays and lets your brain close the loop on the day. Stillness isn't something you achieve. It's something you build into your day, bit by bit, moment by moment. A calm routine doesn't mean perfection. It means giving your mind a gentle rhythm to follow, so it doesn't wander into chaos.